A kestrel quietly laid her eggs on a woman's balcony. When the woman found her, the bird looked at her awkwardly, as if begging not to be kicked out. The woman was touched and began feeding her. The hungry kestrel mom devoured the food, and the woman couldn't help but joke in her heart about the missing father. Soon, the baby kestrels hatched. To care for them better, the woman moved them into a flower pot. While the mother hunted, the woman also helped feed the chicks. She often played with them, and the little kestrels would stare at the food in her hand without blinking. The family dog wanted to join the fun, but the bird mom always chased it away. After a month, the chicks grew up and began learning to fly. They didn't want to leave the cozy balcony, but their mom insisted they become independent. In the end, they flew off under her guidance. Though the woman was sad to see them go, she knew they belonged in the sky. She hopes they'll return next year to visit her.